In this video, I'm going to be showing what's involved with installing the headlights, all the springs and brackets that hold everything in place on a C2 Corvette. This one is a 1966. I bought a kit that has all my plastic retainers, the springs, the screws, everything needed to put these together. This one is from Corvette Central, part number HDL-296. And I've put all individual parts in cups just to keep them together, so less chance of having something get away from me. I'm just going to start with these guys here. They'll just go right on like that. Each one gets 2 screws. And you notice they've got a little raised area right here that provides support on this little thin plastic finger sticking out there. And the reason I point that out is you notice on this one here, it's missing. Should be a little piece coming out here to support this one. Goes right here. But what I've done is made this little piece out of some 18 gauge sheet metal, which is just about 5 thousandths under or 1/16 of an inch. And then this will lay right on it like that. And give that a little bit of support. And that's a lot less expensive than paying $275 for one of these. The extra thickness won't make any difference because this is one of the adjusting screws, so we just adjust that in and out. Now we got 2 of these little white ones. They go here and here, and they get a little spring attached to them. Kind of like this. I'm going to position the spring with this little piece away from it. I'm going to put these headlight adjusting screws in 1, 2, 3, 4 places, and they'll go in a lot easier if you put a little drop of oil on the threads. Now I'm going to put a little dab of grease on those things right there. I'll just help them adjust a little better. Now we've got these things that go in there, and these look very similar, but they're not exactly the same. So it's a good idea to fit your headlight in there, make sure you're getting the right one in the right place. Now these are marked A and B. B would go on the inside, A would go on the outside. I don't know if all of them are marked or not, but anyway, make sure you get them in the right place. These just pop up right there, right there. There's little slots in those screws. Rest right there, and then in this little indentation here is where the spring is going to attach. Get you some pliers that have some little serrations on it so you can grip the spring good. And it pulls out right there like that. Just like that. And the other one will go in the same way, hooks in there. in there. Spring attaches right there. Got some dielectric grease. Put a little dab right on the end of the connectors there. Got the chrome trim ring. Go like this. And that's all there is to it. I'll do the other side same way. And then I've got to adjust them, the alignment. And that's done by these two screws here on each one. But I will wait to do that until I'm finished with the car because I want all the weight on it. I want the ride height adjusted where I want it. Then I will adjust the headlights. Here's what it looks like in there when it's all done.